Hello children, in this video we'll understand the geometrical proof of a plus b cube identity. That is, a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. For this, one must know what is the volume of a cuboid. Cuboid has volume equal to length into breadth into height. And then one must know volume of cube, because in cube length, breadth and height are same, so its volume is side cube. Now what is the meaning of a plus b cube? A plus b cube is like volume of a cube of side a plus b. As you can see, here we have made a cube with its length a plus b and breadth also a plus b, and its height is also a plus b. To find volume of this cube, first we'll break this into various parts, that is into cube and cuboids, and at the end we'll add those parts to get the volume of this cube. So let's separate this. First of all, we are separating this portion which is colored in red. It has its length a, breadth a and height also a. So this is a cube, and volume of this cube will be a into a, that is a cube. Let's separate this. After this, we'll separate this portion which is given in gray. Its length, you can say it's a, its breadth is a, and its height is b, which is a cuboid. So its volume is a into a, that is a square, into b, that is a square b. Let's separate this. After this, we separate this region whose length is a, breadth is b and height is a. So its volume is a square into b. After this, let's separate this another gray portion whose length is b, breadth is a and its height is also a. So its volume is a square into b. Now let's separate this portion whose length is a, breadth is b and height is b. So its volume is ab square. Similarly, we'll separate this portion whose length is b, breadth is a and height is b. A is this much length. When we separate, you will understand. So its volume is ab square. Now let's separate this green portion whose length is b, breadth is also b and height is a. So its volume is also ab square. After this, we are left with a cube with side b. So its volume, as you know, is b cube. Let's add all these parts to get the volume of a plus b cube. So a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus a square b plus a square b plus a square b plus ab square plus ab square plus ab square. That is, a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.